Give it up for Nora Fateh and Karan Aujla. All right, that's how we do it. Though we were supposed to, play the song and welcome you on this stage formally, we're gonna do that. Sorry, yeah, we will do that. We'll definitely do that. Bhushan sir, thank you so much for this. Yes, you can be here, of course. And of course, Neha Kakkar, ladies and gentlemen. Make some more noise. Okay, before we start, Karan bhai, of course, with every song of yours, जब भी हम सुनते हैं, everybody says, और चला यार, और चला. Karan Aujla का गाना है यार, चला, और चला. And every single time the same thing happens with a T-Series chartbuster. First things first, what do you have to say about this collaboration?
There's a lot to say, but I'm just happy that this project came together, and I just want to thank Bhushan Paji, obviously Nora, and Neha for sure. We've been working on this for a while, but yeah, I'm just happy that it came all together, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna top the charts, and I can't wait for the reaction of the audience.
Let me give you some good news here that the song's already trending on YouTube and
Let's
everywhere.
go.
Give it up for I Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, that's the song. Now we're already trending, and this song is I Hi. So I'm sure you get all these compliments every now and then. I Hi, kya kar rahe ho, kya da rahe ho? What do you have to say about this song?
I'm obsessed. I genuinely am obsessed. When Sir sent me the song the first time, I heard it. I was like, the lyrics, amazing, vibe, amazing. Sab kuch, matlab, oh, alag hai. It's an energetic, flirty, fun song, and I really wanted to do a song like this after so long. And then I heard the second version, which was with Neha Kakkar's voice. I said, oh my God, this is a hit. And I have to do this song. So shooting with Karan was such a vibe on set. I think when you see this video, you'll see us laughing in some shots, smile. This was all real, because we really connected, we really had a good time. I love everything about the video, the aesthetics, the choreography, the styling, the way it was choreographed. And I just love our pairing in the video. I think the chemistry was eye-high, like literally.
Eye-high, literally, of course.
Yeah, it was just too good. Of course, and Neha's voice was just superb.
We've already loved the video, and that's, as I said, the song is already trending everywhere. So the man responsible for that, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bhushan Kumar, come on, make some noise for him. So every single time, of course, looking as dapper as ever. Here, we have to talk about this song before we play it for everyone here. Every single time, sir, how do you do it? Like, kya hai wo, that Midas touch that everybody talks about, and talk to us about this pairing here, the people starring in this song.
First of all, I want to tell Karan, you have danced better than Nora. Really, I've never seen you dancing in your videos. Yes, you have to do it this. You have to dance on the track. So for everybody today. So I'm very happy with that. Where is Neha? Why Neha is not coming?
She's coming, sir.
So this song means a lot to me because I love this song. I think 7-8 months back, Karan played me this song and I said, I want this song and we have to start our association with this. And here we are today. So thank you Karan Paji on this. Thank you Nora to be a part of such a great, he was always wanting to do a song with you. So this collab has come on T-Series, so we are very, very happy about it. And I want to congratulate with my entire team. They have worked really, really hard on this launch event, and going forward also we are going to make this song the biggest chart booster of 2024. 25, yes.
Karan Paji, of course, we know, you're this amazing, amazing artist. Everybody wants to hear you sing and make more music, but especially for you, when you collaborate with a label like T-Series, how special is it for you? Because bachpan se sunte aaye hain, everybody loves this.
Yeah, exactly. Literally from childhood, we've been seeing the songs come out with T-Series on TVs, and we never knew we would be the ones, coming out with the track, especially with the man himself. I mean, it's a blessing, man. I'm just really happy that this is happening, and this is just a beginning. That's all I gotta say. There's a lot more to do, and there's a lot more that we're gonna come out with together. And yeah, man. I hope you guys are not sleeping. Like, I can't. Exactly. Yeah, please, man. Let's do that. Yeah.
Okay, guys, funny story. So we went on set, first time meeting Karan. And before even meeting him, the director told me, ma'am, Karan ko dance nahi karna hai. Mat karo, try mat karna. So I was like, oh, okay. Then I immediately went to him, met him, introduced myself. Hi, how are you? Good, good. Karan, I want you to dance in the video. See that? And he's like, what? I said, yes, aapko dance karna hai. He's like, okay. Then Rajat also went up to him and was like, it's just one small move, right? One small move. But then he ended up doing it and he did it so well. Did you guys see it? Wasn't he so good? Like all that swag and everything. And even, you know what the funny part is? When we were doing the take, I'd forgotten the move some 2-3 times. Like I messed it up. And he was just going for it. Like fully with the clap and the shoulders. And I was like looking at him like, oh, he's going to take my throne.
No, that was fun actually. Well, that was the only step that I knew how to do, and I was doing it for 2 hours before that, so you know what I mean. But yeah, thank you so much, Nora, on helping me with this. And where's Neha? Like, I would really like her to come up.
She's about to come here, but she's saying, okay, let's watch the song on the
Let's
big
watch
screen
the
first.
song, yeah.
So we're gonna see all those moves and grooves.
Exactly.
And let's take a look at the song on the big screen, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank
Give
you,
it up
guys.
for Nora,
Thank
Karan
you.
Aujla and Bhushan Kumar sir. One more time, come on, make some noise, yaar. थोड़ा हल्ला मचा लो यार. जोश चाहिए यार, सीटियाँ चाहिए. बस क्या कर रहे हो? आप यहाँ पर आए क्योंकि कोई बहुत ही खास है जिन्हें यहाँ आपके साथ बुलाने वाला हूँ मैं. First of all, talk to us about those moves. क्या हुआ? मतलब जैसे यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे थे.
Do I still gotta talk about those moves, bro? Do I just show them? Yeah,
You wanna do that?
play that ending of the song.
हो जाए.
Watch.
Watch and learn.
Yo, I want him to come up on here, Rajat, where's Rajat?
Of course, Rajat sir,
Bro,
हमारे
come.
choreographer, the कमाल का इंसान who's here
Bro,
with
make
us.
some noise for my boy, man. He's the one who got me into
All
this.
yours, all yours.
Let's do it together.
Rajat Dev, one more time. Thank you so much, sir, for that wonderful choreography. Sir, here you go. And now, it's time to invite on stage someone जो कि millions and trillions of hearts पे राज करती है. And of course, across the globe, known as this versatile, mind-blowing singer. Of course, हम सबके दिलों की रानी. Give it up for Neha Kakkar, ladies and gentlemen. There she comes, the very gorgeous Neha.
Let's go.
Welcome Neha, so good to see you. Okay, first things first, congratulations on this banger here with this gentleman here, of course. So what do you have to say?
हेलो एवरीवन हाय आप सब लोग इतने कमाल की आप लोगों की क्या बोलते हैं इन्फ्लुएंस है इतने सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स इतने सारे अमेजिंग आर्टिस्ट यहाँ पर है तो पहले तो बिग वेलकम आई थिंक आप सब सारा प्यार डिजर्व करते हो और सारी अपलॉज डिजर्व करते हो इसके लिए तालियां बजा लो आप सब और थैंक यू सो मच आप हमारे इतने दिल से पेश किए हुए गाने को प्यार देने आए हैं सो बिग थैंक यू टू ईच वन ऑफ यू एंड दिस मैन राइट हियर इज अ स्टार you all know right he's been killing it Karan Aujla और Karan Aujla का गाना हो और मतलब नेहा कक्कर उसमें अभी तक नहीं आई तो ये तो मतलब हो ही नहीं सकता था ना तो आना ही था नेहा
No,
कक्कर
I'm lucky to have you, honestly. It's been a dream to work with you both from day one. Obviously, you're my senior in music too. I think you're older than me too a little bit. It's okay.
मारूंगी Karan
But no, honestly, yeah.
that is true we all are older than ठीक है
But honestly, I'm only learning from the best. But thank you again, Neha. I really want to thank you for doing this for me. Honestly, I would love to say this. She didn't even ask me one question. Same for you, Nora. I thought Neha Kakkar थोड़े से नखरे, but she showed me love. So it's lots of love for you. Thank you for doing this on just one phone call.
pleasure I always say मुझे ये बात बोलनी थी करण मैं जरा राइट पे आ जाऊँ मेरा राइट प्रोफाइल ज़्यादा अच्छा है Okay, so you know, I've seen so many people talking about Karan's writing. You know, but of course, क्या होता है ना, writing जो होती है ना करण, काफी सारी majority को समझ आती है. बट जो कॉम्पोजिशन समझने वाले लोग होते हैं वो बहुत कम होते हैं. एंड आई नेहा कक्कर वांट टू से दिस, करण औजला इज नॉट जस्ट अ ग्रेट राइटर, ही इज अ ग्रेट कंपोजर टू. और मुझे भूषण सर को थैंक यू बोलना था. एज ऑलवेज ही इज गिवन द बिगेस्ट सॉन्ग्स. सर एंड आई वी डन द बिगेस्ट सॉन्ग्स इन द इंडस्ट्री. हमने मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस करे हैं और ये गाना तो यहीं से टी सीरीज से ही आना बनता था. एंड नोरा, what a star you are. Oh my god, what a performer she is. Guys, क्या perform करती है Nora. Big round of applause for Nora everyone. Amazing, amazing. बहुत सारा मैं बात करती हूँ क्योंकि मैं इतना बात करने को मिलती नहीं हूँ सबको. आई डोंट गिव इंटरव्यूज एंड एवरीथिंग, बट हियर मेरा बहुत सारा प्यार है इस गाने के लिए और बहुत सारा प्यार है फॉर टी सीरीज एंड यू नो बोथ ऑफ यू गाइज. तो अब मैंने बहुत सारा बोल लिया. आई थिंक थोड़ा परफॉर्म कर लेते हैं.
Let's do it, yeah.
Let's go.
Put the song on,
Great
man.
job, Rashid. Let's do this.
Play your song.
Give us
Play your
some.
song,
Make some
baby.
noise for them, ladies and gentlemen. Come
I'm
on.
feeling it, I'm
Hands
feeling
up
it.
in the air. Or chala. This is what happens. Karan Aujla, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, Neha Kakkar.
Thank you.
Neha, you have to tell us. ये क्या है मतलब, as you were just talking about टी सीरीज और आपकी भूषण सर और आपकी ये जो collab है, millions and trillions of views, ये हर बार कैसे हो जाता है? मतलब what is the magic यार? Tell us.
I think शायद हमारी, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं बट अभी आप ये बोल रहे हैं ना तो मुझे ये समझ आ रहा है कि शायद बचपन से I have been in this, बचपन से सर has been in this. हम माता रानी को मानते हैं. हमेशा हमारी कॉल्स जो कट होती हैं वो जय माता दी बोल के कट होती हैं. मुझे लगता है ये एक रीज़न है कि बचपन से we have been struggling a lot. और जब हम आए इंडस्ट्री में तो क्या आए, you know, आए हाय. So I think this could be the reason.
No, 100%.
We talk about that struggle, लेकिन अब जो kill कर रहे हो, slay कर रहे हो ना, ऐसा कोई नहीं कर रहा है.
Honestly, मैं किल कर रही.
Just stop. Yeah.
बीच में थोड़ा ब्रेक ले लिया
No,
मैंने,
you're
but
kidding,
now no break anymore. Neha Kakkar is back, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's go.
I will keep talking. Please don't ask me questions.
I'm not asking you anything. I just want you to talk and share everything with us. You know, choreographer Saab is sitting over there. He's still into it. He's still telling you
Yeah,
about these
man,
steps
day
and
one.
everything. Rajat sir, a quick question for you. Who was more obedient? यहाँ पे Nora या Karan bhai?
Him, definitely.
क्या कर रहे हो सब लोग? क्या कर रहे हो?
Because he just had one move to do.
Right.
And I went to his vanity and I was like, sir, एक move है वो करना है आपको.
हाँ.
Are you ready? He's like, yeah, let's go. We did it in the vanity van. Like, I think 10 minutes, we grew literally 10 minutes. So he's more obedient. And honestly, इनका कुछ अलग वो एक रिहर्सल का एक पीरियड है ना,
हाँ.
बहुत डिफरेंट है.
Right.
शूट पे बहुत डिफरेंट है.
हाँ.
She is the most obedient in terms of learning and everything, but it's a task. It's a task.
10 मिनट में ये किया है
10
तो
minute में ये किया, and I'm sure all of you guys sitting over here, let us try this step once. I see a lot of dancers here. I know a lot of people can move. Hello, hands up everyone. Oh yeah, alright, let's come in.
Nora, we would want you to be on
Come
the
in, come in,
stage.
come
Come. Of course, आप सिखा दो सबको.
आ जाओ.
मैडम आप बैठ जाओ मैडम आपका कैसे है इसमें आपको नहीं जाना बेटी है
Aww.
संजय डांस कर रहा है संजय एक भी डांसर है ए मनोहर
Alright, let's try this step, everybody.
विद नोरा
Nora, please, we would want you to be on the
Yes,
stage,
yes.
of course.
विद नोरा मंजरेकर डिस्टर्बिंग नोट फाइन मंजरेकर प्लीज साइड तू भी डांस कर अरे इधर आ रहा मंजरेकर इधर आ रहा
And Neha, I would request you to join them, यार. आपके बिना ये पूरा नहीं हो सकता. हमको चाहिए कि आप भी स्टेज पे आए. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody.
म्यूजिक
Music. आएगा.
पहला स्टेप
Thank you, Rajat sir, for doing this. That was fantabulous. ये घर जाके पता नहीं क्या करने वाले हैं सब लोग अभी.
से नेक्स्ट 2 हफ्ते तक यही चलने वाला है.
समझ गया.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
नेहा मैं
sir.
चाहूंगा ऐसे आपको जाने नहीं देंगे, बड़े मुश्किल से मिले हो आप. I would want you on the stage one more time,
भाई
please.
कितना ये भाई ये पुष्पा का इवेंट नहीं है, इतना लंबा मत कर.
ये मस्त conversation है, बढ़िया चल रहा अपना अलग दुनिया में. Okay. Also, would like to invite on stage the gentleman, ladies and gentlemen, who's changed the Indian entertainment scene and with his kind of vision, मतलब हम कह सकते हैं कि भारत global rock करेगा ही करेगा. Give it up for Mr. Bhushan Kumar one more time, ladies and gentlemen.
साथ में ले ले एक बार.
सर यहाँ पे with this trio, of course, with this team, अब क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप? We've seen the song here. Response तो मैंने जैसा कहा, the song is already trending everywhere. What do you have to say about these three wonderful artists here?
They are fabulous. Neha Kakkar, as she said, she's back again. I'm very happy for that. क्योंकि वो करेक्ट बोल रही है, अभी बीच में थोड़ा मस्ती कर रही थी कि नहीं गाना.
शादी में थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्यार में हो गई.
Actually, so I welcome her back with this song. So yes, the song will rock as I just earlier said.
And sir, वो एक frame में दिखने की, we were just talking about this, कि do we get to see more and more of them?
Yes, for sure.
है ना?
Yeah.
I am sure it's gonna be धमाकेदार this journey, ladies and gentlemen. And नेहा आप कहीं नहीं गए थे, आप हमेशा हर पार्टी में होते हो, आपके बिना कोई पार्टी पूरी नहीं होती. Of course इस पूरी टीम के साथ इस बार पूरी दुनिया New Year's Eve मनाने वाली है, because New Year का सबसे बड़ा party anthem is Aye Hi. It's time to click a picture. Of course we'll have a quick picture. उसके लिए I'd like to invite on stage Shiv Chanana sir, of course, an important and a very amazing person on stage. Thank you sir. हर project में ऐसे ही बढ़ चढ़ के entertainment देने के लिए audiences को. And also Rajat sir, एक बार वापस on stage.
खड़ो के ले लो. भाई बैठो ना. अरे हो गया, अरे ले लो, हो गया रे हम लोग. इतना कोई फोटो. जो हम अंबानी के शूट पे गया तो कैमरामैन घर भी चले गया.
म्यूजिक चला सकते
अपने
हैं
फंस
मतलब
गए.
हम तो